Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V70 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option sounds and vibration, which is right here. Then let's scroll down and localize this section here and tap on incoming call ringtone. So right here we've got the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. Moreover, here we've got this option Custom Ringtone, which means that you can choose the ringtone from your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, then it should appear somewhere here and you should be able to apply it as your ringtone. Moreover, here at the top of the second list, we've got this option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and then your device will play it. So you can listen to it and decide whether you want to apply it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to apply this limpid drop as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to simply tap on it, just like we would like to listen to it, and then go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.